Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers. We are about to embark on the next exciting chapter of our geometry journey. But first, let's quickly recap what we learned in Part 1. In our last adventure, we discovered lines that stretch forever, angles that are like special handshakes between lines, and the magical world of symmetry. Today, we are diving even deeper into geometry. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Exploring parallel and perpendicular lines. Alright, young minds, let's talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are like train tracks that never meet, no matter how far they go. Perpendicular lines, on the other hand, meet at a special angle, forming perfect L shapes. Imagine a world without parallel and perpendicular lines. No buildings, no books, no games. These lines make our world strong and sturdy. Angle pals, supplementary and complementary. Angles can also be pals. Say hello to supplementary and complementary angles. Supplementary angles add up to a straight line, like a long, straight road. Two angles are called supplementary when their sum adds up to 180 degrees. Complementary angles add up to a right angle, like sharing a tasty pizza slice. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. When you put them together, they create a right angle, just like the corner of a square. Remember, angles can be friends too, helping us solve puzzles and discover hidden treasures. Marvelous mirror symmetry. Now, let's dive back into the magic of symmetry, mirror symmetry, to be exact. It's like folding a shape and finding its twin on the other side. Just like in Part 1, we find symmetry in the beauty of butterflies, flowers, and even our own faces. It's like a secret code nature uses to create wonders. Wow, what an incredible geometry adventure we've had today. We explored parallel and perpendicular lines, made friends with supplementary and complementary angles, and delved into the mesmerizing world of mirror symmetry. But guess what, explorers? Our journey doesn't end here. If you had a blast learning with us, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share the excitement with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers so you never miss a new adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun.